Hi everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps. Today I'm going to show you how to do a German twisted cast on. The German twisted cast on is a variation of the long tail cast on, so you're going to need a long tail. Usually about 3 to 4 times the length of the cast on you want to do. I'm just going to do a few stitches, so I will go, say here, and I will make my slip knot. Okay, now we're going to put that slip knot onto our needle, onto our right hand needle. And we're going to hold both of the tails, the tail and the working yarn together in the palm of our left hand. I'm using these 3 fingers to hold it in place. Now come in between the 2 strands with your index finger and your thumb and spread them apart. Then turn your index finger and thumb upwards, and now you've created this Y shape with a loop around your thumb and a loop around your index finger. And this is the position for the cast on. So now for the German twisted cast on, we're going to go under both strands coming off the thumb. There's the outside strand and the inside strand, right? Go under that whole entire loop, both strands. And then twist your needle backwards to come in between the 2 and pick up that inside strand. Do you see that? Let me show you that again. Goes under both, twist around and pick up that inside strand. Notice how it's making my thumb bend. I'm going to let my thumb bend, and that opens up this nice big hole where my thumb is, right? I'm going to grab this inside strand from my index finger and pull it through that hole where my thumb is. And that is my cast on. That's 1 stitch cast on. Do you see how it twisted that loop that's around my thumb? That's what makes it the twisted cast on, which adds a little bit of an extra decorative touch and a little bit of extra yarn to make it stretchier. So now I'm going to let go with my thumb and stick my thumb back under this strand down here under the tail and tighten up that stitch just a little bit. You don't want it too tight. And that's my first stitch cast on. You can count your slip knot as the first stitch. So this is the first stitch. This is actually the second stitch cast on. So let's do that again. Put my needle underneath both legs of that loop. Go down through the middle so that grabs that one loop there, and bring my thumb down to open it up. I've just twisted that loop that was around my thumb. Now I grab this yarn from my finger and I pull it through that twisted loop. And then I let go and tighten the loop. Again, a little faster. Under both, through, around, grab that yarn, pull it through that loop that was on my thumb, and tighten. Under, through, around, pull through, and tighten. Under, through, around, pull through, and tighten. One more time. Under both, through the center, dip my thumb down, go around this thread here, and pull it through the loop, and tighten. And that's how you do a German twisted cast on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.